Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Xfinity verification code not received step by step. First, check your internet connection or mobile network and make sure that it is stable. A weak signal can delay or block verification codes. Next, double check that you've registered your phone number or email address which is correct. Even a small mistake can prevent you from receiving the code. Now, if you're expecting the code through email, check your spam or junk folder as it may be filtered there. Then, wait for a few minutes because codes are delayed due to network or server issues sometimes. Then, you can also tap on the resend code to request a new one and make sure that you do not request too many times as this can temporarily block new codes. If the issue continues, try using a different verification method if available or contact Xfinity support for further help. That's how you fix Xfinity verification code not received. If this video helped you, do not forget to like,